Hi, this is our project EarnGuard and this is what we have built for the parametric insurance platform. So as you can see, there are two different portals, worker portal and an admin dashboard. So I'll start with the worker portal. So they can sign in with their phone number and password. And if you see here, the user's name will come here, and if you see, it will show his monthly earnings, his protected amount, like how much claims he has got active. And then it will also show the disruption as for how much time there was the disruption which was caused. And then it will show his premium plan which is active, and he can upgrade his plan and he can manage the particular policy. It will also show what all is covered under the policy which he has taken right now, and it will show the weather and everything. Then if you go to my policy, you can see in detail about it. And then claims history will show like which is auto approved and which is under review. So like sometimes if the like under the risk engine, if it is, you know, if it qualifies to get auto approved, it gets auto approved, otherwise it stays for review. And then coverage triggers, it shows the like all what all triggers are there, which I will show in the admin panel also. And yeah, you can also go in settings and edit the, you know, in what zone the rider is working in, which can also be verified using the GPS location coordinates and everything. And similarly, his working hours need to be specified so that there is no no case of fraud. And yeah, working hours need to be specified like that. Similarly, I'll show you with the admin dashboard also. So for admin dashboard, if we do the sign in, you'll see like how many total workers are using the platform, how many policies are active, like who all have actually bought the policy, and how much payout has been given. And it will show the number of pending claims and that, so you can see the details of all the workers here in all the zones and what platform they use. And it will also show us a trust score. So trust score is basically like, you know, it will get reduced or increased with respect to the number of claims and which number of genuine claims which the person files. Similarly, if you see here, some of them were auto approved, okay, because the fraud score was less. Similarly here, the fraud score was 85%, so that's why it came under review and we can like reject it, okay. Similarly, it will also we can also see here what all the triggers are there. So severe disruption is there, flash floods are there, poor AQI, extreme heat, cyclone warning, heavy rainfall. So all these triggers are there which cause the automatic payout, and we can set the threshold amount for all of these, okay. Similarly, we can set for zones, like what all zones the workers are working on, it will show there. Then payout and fraud alerts, it will show like, yeah, so there was a fraud score of 85% where a rider was asking for amount of 690 rupees for extreme heat. So there can be several reasons for it. We can see under review like what all reasons are there why it is showing a fraud risk, right? So it will show that, and we can reject it or clear it based on the review. So yeah, that's all about the admin dashboard. And you can see all the APIs are connected using this IMD weather API, Zepto, Blinkit, and Swiggy. It will mock data we are showing here, so the order history and everything will be seen from the apps. And then similarly, fraud alert, system health, daily summary, trigger spikes will also be seen, because so it will show us what all notifications will come. So if there is a trigger spike, it will show us. Then auto approved claims are, we can disable them or we can turn them on. Then fraud score threshold, we can keep it 0.5, so 50% is the threshold for the fraud score. So yeah, it works like that. So thank you for watching.